Today, we're diving into the Niles IntelliControl ICS Contact Color Touchscreen Keypad designed specifically for the GXR2 Amplifier. This sleek device promises seamless integration with your audio setup, boasting plug-and-play compatibility that simplifies the process of connecting your iPod, XM, Sirius, and AM/FM ICS source modules. Its intuitive PC configuration software ensures easy setup, allowing you to customize metadata, favorite presets, and menus effortlessly. Featuring a crisp white design with backlit 7 hard keys, the keypad offers convenient access to frequently used controls throughout your home. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying music from different zones, the party mode functionality lets you activate your preferred zones instantly, enhancing the ambience without hassle. With its touch control interface and robust connectivity, the Niles IntelliControl ICS Contact proves to be not just a remote accessory, but a central hub for managing your audio environment with style and efficiency. Discover how this device elevates your listening experience to new heights.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.